and healthy. Because harming nature is like using chemicals or burning waste. Causes serious problems like pollution, climate change, and unhealthy soil. People can compost waste using a natural farming method and support an eco-friendly laws and policies.
The research now based principle illustrates that in various incidents and effectiveness of natural resources. The effective preventing environmental problems such as climate change, environmental and understanding and applying the principle more critical than ever. In daily life, this means adopting sustainable practices like reducing waste and means improving societies.
Nature knows best emphasize the importance of preserving natural processes and ecosystems. It suggests that human interface can disrupt a delicate balance of nature, leading to an unintended consequence. This concept promotes a hand-off approach, allowing natural systems to self-regulate and maintain their resilience. It's about respecting nature's intricate web of relationship and letting the system function naturally. Today, nature knows best is more social than ever due to the growing threats of climate change, biodiversity loss, and population. By embracing nature's wisdom, we can shift towards sustainability and protect the planet for the nature. Nature knows best matters more than ever today because of the escalating environmental crisis we face such as climate change, biodiversity loss, and population. As human activities increasingly disrupt natural balances, embracing this concept can help us adopt more sustainability practices and preserve the planet resilience for future generations.
This principle means that nature has its own way on how to keep everything in balance, like plants, animals, or water. When we harm nature, like cutting too many trees, polluting rivers, we break that balance and it can hurt us too. Why does this matter today? It's because our planet is in trouble. We see climate change, polluting rivers, air pollution, and too many plastics in the oceans. These are the signs that we are not protecting our nature. The damage may be too big to fix if we keep ignoring it. So how can we follow this principle in our daily life? We can recycle, save water, and protect green spaces. In policy making, leaders can make laws that can support clean energy, protect forests, and how to reduce waste. Let's respect nature because nature knows best on how to keep life going.
The Nature's Knows Best principle emphasizes that natural systems are inherently efficient and sustainable. Human interference often disrupts this balance, causing harm. Therefore, we should learn from emulate nature's design for a sustainable future. This involves respecting and working with nature, not against it. Urgent environmental challenges like climate change and biodiversity loss, largely caused by human action, demand immediate attention. Nature's wisdom provides crucial framework for developing sustainable solutions. Ignoring this principle risks exacerbating this crisis and jeopardizing human well-being. Individuals can adopt sustainable practices while policy makers can create and enforce environmental regulation and invest in renewable energy. Promoting environmental education and conservation efforts are always vital. A combination effort across all sectors is crucial for achieving a sustainable future.
Emphasize the belief that natural process and system is very important to know about nature because it's the only time that truly exists. Humans have to understand nature and have to abide by the rules nation district. And we should not burning any plastic, any trash, because it brings population or havoc. As in the case of carbon dioxide buildup, which result in the warming up of the earth or the so-called greenhouse effect.
Nature knows best. It implies that everyone should have a say decision that impact them, not just professionals or authorities. These principles live experience and grassroots input, whether it is from a patient and healthcare, a student education policy, or citizen and local government issue. People want inclusion and transparency. They are become less trusting of institutions. In daily life, actively hear the needs and experiences of others, include community opinions or neighborhood planning, school decisions, etc.